What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing a Christmas holiday minion. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now we want to start with the one on the left, so we start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top. I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle going out, around, and then in. And then we'll line that up on the right side, going in the opposite direction. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for highlight, just pulling that in and back out. Now I want to draw that same size circle in the center of the iris, going in behind that highlight. So we'll start from the bottom, going all the way around, and then back out. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the bottom, going around, and we'll fill that in. Now I want to trace the eyes along the outside and then join them in the middle. So we're going to start right in the center. Let's start with a point. Let's trace out the left eye. Going up, going all the way around, and just pull that in towards the center. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the right. Going around the eye, and I'm just going to join that in the middle. Let's add that hinge along the outside. On the left, we're going to step up, go straight out, go straight down, and then back in. And I want to line up these two lines over on the right side. So I'll start with the top, come down the side, and then back in. Let's split that hinge in half across the middle. Now just underneath the eyes, we're going to draw in the mouth. Let's start underneath the left eye, curve the mouth coming down, and then up. Go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, and then up. And then along the top, we're going to draw 4 teeth. Let's start right in the middle with the left side. We're going to come down and up with a half circle. Let's draw that again, going out towards the side. Let's add 2 over on the right. Now along the bottom of the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the tongue. From the left, we're going to go up and then back down. And we'll fill that gap in between the teeth and the tongue in black. Now underneath the hinges, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down the side of the head to right about there. The same thing on the right. Now I'm just going to angle the straps coming in. Straight down and in, down from the right towards the same height, and we want to close this off with a straight line. Now I want to go back and finish off the hat. Let's start right in the center with the holly, so we're going to start with a circle in the middle. Let's add 2 across the top, starting from the center, going around, just tucking that in towards the side, and then add 1 on the right. And we're going to add 2 holly leaves, starting from the left side, bend this up and then out, go to the right and do the same thing. Now along the top, we're going to add 2 points. Let's start from the end, curve this up, add another curve. Just going to bend this down and then in behind that berry. Let's do the same thing on the right, going in the opposite direction. Let's go back to the left side. From the tip, we're going to go in the opposite direction, coming down. I'm going to round this out and then tuck that in towards the side. Now I want to round out the side of the hat brim. Let's start on top of the hinge, curve this out and back in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I just want to connect the ends with a curve. Start from the left and go up, above the holly, go across and then back down. Let's go in between the glasses along the bottom and add a small curve. Now with the hat, we're going to flop this over towards the right. So let's start on the right side. It's going to add that fold. We're going to go up and then in. Let's go all the way over towards the left side. We're going to bend this up, go over the fold, bend this down, and step up and add a curve going up. Now on the end, we're going to add a circle, going all the way around and then back down. Now we're going to move down, tuck the hat in along the right side. Let's add a couple thick stripes across the hat. Starting from the left, we're going to bend this up down. Now from that same point, we're gonna go up and then in towards the top of the hat. Let's add one more curve on the end. Now I'm gonna give our character some elf ears. Let's start from the base of the hat, draw a straight angle line going up and then out on both sides. And we'll bend the ear, coming down and then in towards the side of the head. Let's add that fold, starting from the tip, come in and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're gonna start with the straps from the base of the head, angle this down and out. Now I want to follow this angled line coming in towards the inside of the strap, and we'll just close that off. On the bottom of the strap, let's add a small circle for a button. Let's work our way down towards the bottom of the body. We're gonna line up at the side of the head, underneath the strap. We want to leave a gap, come straight down to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Line this up, leave a gap, and come straight down. Let's curve the bottom of the body, starting back on the left, round this out, come across the middle, and then back up on the right. Now underneath the straps, we're going to curve this down and then out towards the hips. Let's go to the center of the body and draw a rectangle for the buckle. Start with a straight line going across the top, come down the sides with a shorter line, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's trace that rectangle along the inside. Now we're going to go back to the outside, go straight in, leave a little overlap along the top of the buckle. From the bottom of the buckle, step up, straight line going out. Let's add a small pocket in the center. Start with a straight line going across. And we'll connect the ends with a curve with a half circle coming down and then up. Now let's go back to the center. We're going to split the legs with a straight line coming down towards the heels. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Come down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's curl the shoe. We go all the way around and just pull that down on the inside. Now from here, it's going to curl this around and then up towards the ankle. And then from here, bend this down and then up towards the inside of the legs. From the outside corner of the shoe, we're going to step in, bend the leg, going out and then up underneath the body. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding a large candy cane. We're start from the strap, then the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to draw the thumb. We're going to go up and then down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. Now on the outside of the thumb, we're going to draw an oval for the first finger, going all the way around and back in. Let's tuck the second finger underneath, going around and then up on the inside. Now I want to place the cane inside the hand. So we're going to start on top of that finger, go straight up, round up the top, and then come down, and then round out the bottom of the cane. Now I want to trace the same curve along the outside. So go up, try to leave an even space gap going all the way around and then down on top of the thumb. Let's take these two lines underneath the hand, go straight down, just line this up along the bottom, close this off with a curve. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb, step all the way down towards the palm, curve this in and then up, step down, bend the arm coming in and up beside the body. Now from the wrist, we want to step in, draw the edge of the glove. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and draw this arm. So we'll line up the bottom of the arm along the side of the body, going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, close this off with a bracket. Let's add two large fingers curled up, starting underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down, go out, just pull that in towards the wrist. I want to bend this up and then in underneath the strap. Let's separate the glove with a curve. Let's go back and add those stripes across the cane. We'll start from the bottom left, angle this up and in, leave a gap, and just continue towards the top, And we'll just bend this around. Now it's sign out art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a cartoon illustration of a Christmas holiday minion. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.